Battery World, the battery experts, help power our equipment in our trucks. You got lighting, compressors, 12-volt refrigeration, even a little 12-volt oven. But most of all, it helps to power our camera equipment so that we can explore the road less travelled, the horizons less seen. For Battery World, it's all about powering the All for Adventure crew. Here are a few scenes of some of the most spectacular locations that we get to see.
Yeah, I feel like there's a couple of key moments in here.
Fish on! Look at the size of that thing! Woo! Woo! Holy crap!
It's the biggest thing brown I've ever seen.
Is it?
Yeah, it's monster.
I think I'm going to need a set of match to get the hell out of here.
I found it! I found it! Oh! I found it! Yes!
Battery World power everything from your boats to your ATVs, making sure that you have enough power on your adventure. Because vehicles that you own need to have a reliable battery to start up in remote places.